Taxfyle is a tax preparation software that promises to make filing taxes easier and more affordable. But is it the right choice for you? In this video, we'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to know before making a purchase. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Taxfyle is the best fit for your needs, especially when compared to its competitors. First things first, Taxfyle offers an innovative approach by connecting users with certified tax professionals for a fully online virtual tax filing experience. This is a key feature that sets it apart from traditional DIY software options like TurboTax or H&R Block. Unlike these competitors, Taxfyle's platform gives you access to real experts who can guide you through your specific tax situation. Whether you're filing as an individual or a business, this level of personal support makes it a standout option for anyone seeking a more hands-on experience. Next, let's talk pricing. One of the major benefits of Taxfyle is its transparency and flexibility in pricing. The platform charges based on the complexity of your tax filing, meaning you're not locked into expensive flat rates for simple filings. This could save you money compared to competitors like TurboTax, which tend to have a one-size-fits-all pricing structure. However, while it's budget-friendly for basic returns, things can get pricey if you have a more complicated tax situation. The third thing you need to know is about its user interface. Taxfyle's platform is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. With a clean, straightforward interface, it's much easier to navigate than some of its competitors like H&R Block, which can sometimes feel overwhelming with too many options. Taxfyle simplifies the process with a step-by-step guide and intuitive prompts, making it an ideal choice for those new to tax preparation or looking for a no-fuss experience. The fourth thing to consider is Taxfyle's security measures. When you're trusting a company with your financial information, security is non-negotiable. Taxfyle takes this seriously by using bank-level encryption to ensure your data is protected. Compared to some other online tax platforms, which have faced security breaches in the past, Taxfyle's track record of security is a big plus. It's also worth noting that their professionals are IRS licensed, so you're getting legitimate support every step of the way. Now, let's move on to customer support. One of the standout features of Taxfyle is its 24/7 customer service, available through chat, email, and phone. Unlike competitors like TurboTax, which limits access to support unless you're paying for premium services, Taxfyle provides consistent support at all pricing tiers. This can be a real lifesaver if you run into issues or have last-minute questions. The sixth thing to keep in mind is the integration with financial accounts. Taxfyle makes it easy to import your W-2s, 1099s, and other tax forms directly from your bank or financial institution. This is a huge time saver compared to platforms that require you to manually input everything. If you're someone who already uses financial software like QuickBooks or Expensify, Taxfyle's integration capabilities make it easier to streamline your filing process. Finally, let's talk about the overall customer experience. Users rave about the platform's ability to handle complex returns with ease, as well as the expertise of the tax professionals on hand. If you're used to DIY software that leaves you questioning your deductions or missing forms, Taxfyle can give you peace of mind with its professional touch. However, the trade-off is that it's not entirely hands-off like some software solutions. It's a hybrid experience where you still have to interact with the platform. So, if you're ready to give Taxfyle a try, you can access it completely free from the first link in the description. By clicking that link, you'll get an exclusive offer and the best free trial available. Don't miss out on this chance to experience Taxfyle for yourself and see how it compares to other tax software solutions. Click that link now and get started today.